Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, share there and do your own personal practice, okay, on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So right here we have some assets that we'll be checking out, and they are on the screen already, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video, okay? If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. But you can always use your you can start with your small trading capital and grow it up gradually. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, here is boom 1000, and of course boom 1000 has been on downtrend for a while, just where you are seeing it, okay, but it came to an end around this support zone. It broke out from this particular support zone in order for it to get to this region, okay. So right from here it started a buy trend, which I mean, it's had a stop around here. It's had a stop around here, so it was unable to go beyond this, so it started pulling back. If it breaks out below the next support zone, which is this, that means it's going to sell more, okay. It may likely get to this region, okay, if it breaks out below that, okay. So this is very, very important, but if it does not, then it will go back up to try out this resistance zone again, okay. So this is very, very important. So for now it is still selling. It might not be for a very long time before it will go back into a buy trend, but it is still selling at the moment, okay. So the next asset is going to be boom 500, sorry, boom 1000, because that was boom 500, okay. So this is boom 1000. Boom 1000 didn't give us a smooth ride. It was an uptrend, but it was not very smooth. Got to this resistance zone, and of course it started selling right from there. So this is also selling at the moment. So boom 1000 is selling, and this analysis was for boom 500, okay, and boom 1000 is selling, okay. Sorry about that, I did boom 500 first before doing boom 1000, okay. So I hope you understand that, okay. So now let's check out crash 1000. Let's check out crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 picked up a buy signal right from here. You can see the yellow flag, and of course which shows that the market is on buy trend at that particular time, on uptrend at that particular time, and the blue arrow giving us a buy signal, and of course this is going higher, and of course it got to this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on sell trend. But you need to wait for all the necessary signal, but for now it is still buying, okay. The next asset is crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Crash 500 started the downtrend right from there, got to this region, pulled back, and went back there to break out below the support zone, and it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this particular support zone, it keep on selling, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. But for now this is still selling at the moment, okay. So this is very, very important. Now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be V75. This is V75. V75 had been on a very strong uptrend, and of course it is still buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out out above the resistance zone, it will go back on a sell trend, on a downtrend, but we need all the necessary signals to be in place before we start selling. But for now, this is still buying at the moment, so we should understand all this so that we can have a successful trading opportunity. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.